Starting a Cybersecurity LLC can feel like stepping into a tricky maze, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're here to break it down and make it easy for you. First things first, why set up an LLC for your cybersecurity business? Well, an LLC, or limited liability company, offers the best of both worlds. It gives you the personal liability protection of a corporation while keeping things simple with the tax advantages of a partnership. This means if anything goes wrong in your business, your personal assets stay safe. It's like having a safety net under your tightrope walk. Now, let's talk about the basic steps. Start with choosing a unique name for your LLC. It should be memorable and reflect your business ethos. Once you've decided on a name, you need to check if it's available in your state. Here's a little tip. Try to include a cybersecurity term to make your services stand out. Next up is filing the Articles of Organization with your state. This is a simple document that officially registers your LLC. Don't worry, it sounds scarier than it is, and it's something we can help you with at legalregistration.com. After that, you'll need an operating agreement. Think of this as the rule book for your LLC. It outlines how your business will run, how decisions will be made, and how profits will be split. Even if you're the only one in the business, having this agreement helps keep things clear and organized. Don't forget about getting an EIN, or employer identification number, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account and for tax purposes. Now, every state has different rules, so it's essential to know what your state requires. You might need specific licenses or permits to legally operate a cybersecurity business. This is where our expertise at legalregistration.com really comes into play. We can guide you through the legal maze, ensuring compliance without the headaches. Consider setting up a business bank account once your LLC is official. Keeping your business finances separate from personal ones is crucial. It makes managing your money easier and helps during tax time. Plus, it looks more professional when clients pay a business account instead of your personal one. And there you have it, a basic guide to setting up your cybersecurity LLC. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Legalregistration.com is here to help. Visit us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Whether it's handling your paperwork or providing expert advice, we've got your back. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your cybersecurity journey.